Nikky Feeding Souls.
This is going to be all about Chiang Mai in day 2. We had an amazing day. We started our day off with a northern style cooking class at Boonpratana House, where we had an amazing mom, Ma P and Chef Ja. They could not have been a more amazing host. We went through a couple of Northern style cuisine menu items. We did Nam Prik Ong, which was an item that I decided to pick because it resembled like a spaghetti sauce and they loved it. We did a Som Tam. We all have to make Som Tam. We eat Som Tam everywhere. They loved it. Then we made Khao Soi. Fed their soul to the max, and we did not end there. We did Bua Loy, which again, they were super impressed. Last but not least, we ended with our own Krathong making. So perfect. Couldn't have had been a better perfect morning. We've done cooking classes before, but this one, it was top notch, but with the most hospitable family you could ever ask for. And it's going to be one of those experiences that is super memorable. After that, on the way, we stopped at the Thai Silk Village so that we could show the world why Thai silk is so important, what it's all about, how it's made, what's the process. We walked through the store, ended up buying more of this beautiful Chiang Mai style, more of the tribal stuff, because I really got my group hooked on all this beautiful tribal stuff. Not traditionally Thai silk, but I mean, it was all amazing. They had an amazing time. We were ready for a nice chill afternoon because we ended the day with the highlight of our day, the Yi Peng Floating Lantern Festival. It was one of those events that we planned because honestly, it's been on my bucket list for probably over 20 years. I've lived in Thailand for, oh my goodness, more than half my life. And I've seen the pictures, I've seen the videos, and I'm like, I live in Thailand, but yet I've never been to the Yi Peng Festival up in Chiang Mai. And I'm gonna take a whole crew with us. It was magical. Magical, magical. It was nothing like we could ever really imagine. We saw some traditional cultural style dancing, some performances, met a lot of the tribal peeps, saw some food being floated around. It was packed, I mean, no joke. It was a little scary when we doing a little bit of the lighting of the lanterns, but at the end of the day, when we released our lanterns, it was one of the most magical experiences we could ever have had together as a group, and we left there so full in our hearts, in our soul. And one of the things that I decided to have our group do was literally write down a dream or a fear that they wanted to let go, names of people. Any special wishes that they wanted in their life or what they wanted to let go, because that really is what the floating lantern is all about. And we did that magical experience. We rode on the lanterns. We helped each other let go of the lanterns, and I mean, it was so surreal. It was the most perfect Chiang Mai day we could have ever had. So thanks, Chiang Mai.